Welcome to the breathtaking Seven Sisters Springs in Homosassa, Florida, a natural paradise where vibrant waters meet the wild beauty of Florida's landscape. These springs are just one part of the intricate water system that makes up the Homosassa River. Tributaries, like veins through the landscape, carry fresh water from underground aquifers, sustaining the springs and the rich ecosystem that thrives here. The tributaries of Seven Sisters Springs flow gently through ancient forests and marshlands, nourishing both the land and the wildlife that call this area home. It's a sanctuary for manatees, fish, birds, and countless other species that depend on these waters for survival. From these small, crystal-clear tributaries, the water eventually joins the Homosassa River, flowing outward toward the Gulf of Mexico. It's here where nature, water, and wildlife intertwine in perfect harmony. From the tranquil tributaries to the vast river, Seven Sisters Springs is a hidden gem of Florida's natural wonders, and seeing it from the skies reveals just how special this place truly is. Join us as we continue exploring Florida's natural beauty, one flight at a time.